Grüß, willkommen in einem Aufregens video. Welcome to yet another exciting video, in this case episode 14 of my organisational series. In this video I'll provide a view of the Belgium World War II Divisional Combat Strength. For this video I'll be using the point system from the Corps Commander set of rules. The point system is based largely on physical attributes of the various weapon systems such as armour thickness, gun penetration rates, weight of fire, speed, special combat features and so on. Viewers will need to understand that 100 points of tanks will operate very differently from 100 points of infantry, thus comparing tank battalions with infantry battalions need to be done through a subjective filter. However, comparing a tank battalion in 1942 with one in 1945 is valid. Quick note about the point system. I divide the Corps Commander point system or points by 250. It must be remembered that while figure gaming points provides a rough way of ensuring force mixes are balanced, they can never be perfect. If one formation is 1000 points and the other is 1001, it does not mean the latter will win any conflict. As a result, it's best to look at this value several orders of magnitude higher, or divided by 250 in my case, and this gives you a simpler value where you can be certain a value of 2 is clearly inferior to a value of 3. The Germans were involved with World War II when the Germans invaded that country in May. As with many armies of the period, the bedrock of the Belgian army was their infantry divisions, shown here. The Belgian infantry divisions were good, with the battalions being of decent strength and with reasonable support formations at most levels. The Belgian cavalry divisions were the mobile formations of the Belgian army, which contained tank destroyers as well as bicycle-equipped infantry. The Belgian army did possess a tank destroyer which was distributed to their divisions, however they never organised them into battalion-sized formations. The cavalry division, or a better name may be light division, was a reasonably motorised formation, only the bicycle battalion being non-motorised. When we compare the Belgian infantry battalions against other powers of the period, they compare reasonably well. Their most powerful battalion was the motorcycle battalion. The Belgian army lacked battalion-level armour, mainly for political reasons. I suspect because of their experiences that was gained in World War I, the Belgian army was well led and its troops well trained. However, against the German army it could not hope to hold out for long without assistance from the French. And so this concludes my rather short episode 14 of my video series on organisation, in this case analysing the Belgian army in World War II, specifically the estimated combat strengths of the battalions which made up the divisions. Alle guten Dingen, kommen zu einem, and